Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be installing a first mod on the Tesla, and of course, it is the floor mat. I picked up both the floor mat and the vacuum from Amazon on Black Friday. It was on sale, so I'm gonna test it today, and then I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm gonna start off with the vacuum. I've been looking for a vacuum for a while now, and when I came across this vacuum, I knew I had to get it. And I'm gonna be honest here, this Fanttik vacuum is so awesome. It is so small, so light, and has a strong suction. And the most important thing is you can charge it with USB-C. It comes with a lot of attachment, but I mainly only use the two brushes. It has two settings, high and low, but I mainly use it on high most of the time. The only downside is the canister fill up pretty fast, so you have to empty it pretty often. Now onto the floor mats. I saw a nice review on this floor mat, so I decided to give it a try. My wife was gonna order one from Tesla, but for the price, we decided to give this one a try. The main reason we're afraid of is the quality, the material, and the fitment. The fitment on this is perfect, even though the one that folded in the box spring back into shape after a few days sitting in a car. The Velcro on the seat back cover are so strong. I had a hard time pulling it back out after I put it down. The seat back cover also had a cutout template for shower seats. The fitment is perfect. Once you put it in place, it won't move anywhere. This raised edges is a nice touch. If you spill water, it stays inside. We actually love the vacuum so much, we bought a second one. I honestly don't know if I need this one right here. So what do you think? I think it is awesome. Would I buy it again? Definitely. For the price, you cannot go wrong with this. My only complaint is, when I put something in the trunk, I cannot slide it forward because of the anti-slip of the floor mat. First mod done, many more coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.